FREESKINS is a website that pays you money in a reliable way. The average time until the user makes first cash out is only around 40 minutes. So FREESKINS is considered as one of the fastest ways to make money online. Take a look at the leaderboard. Xanic has earned over $50 today. And in this month, now we are living 13th of June when I'm recording this. Let me refresh this to prove it to you. You can see June 13. In 13 days, Dark Knight has earned almost $500. Nut has earned $434 and John Wick earned $417. My YouTube subscribers always ask me, what's the fastest and the easiest ways to make money online? And I believe FREESKINS is at least one of the fastest one. In my opinion, it's not the best for earning a lot of money. But if you want a website that pays you fast, even today, then this may be the best one. It's especially good for people who have never earned money online and simply want to get the proof that you can really earn money anywhere in the world. Click the link in the description and you will get the 100 points bonus for this website, and I'm pretty sure that you will get paid today because there are very low withdrawal limits. Let me show you how it works. There are simply 3 steps. First you choose a task, then you complete the task, and then you receive coins. And once you have those coins, you can come here to shop, and here you will be able to withdraw, and they have many withdrawal options. This is one of the most comprehensive that I have ever seen, even though I have researched more than 500 make money online options. They have PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, even CSGO, even Fortnite, even Roblox, even Visa card, Amazon gift card, Netflix, and you can see many different ones. Personally, if you have been following my YouTube channel, you know that I like Bitcoin, so I'm going to cash out in Bitcoin right here. Then you will choose if you want to withdraw to your Bitcoin address or Coinbase address, and I prefer the Coinbase address this time. What you'll need to do here is simply fill out your email address and then enter the coin amount. So we withdraw everything at the moment, 6,358 coins. And I click here withdraw. It says success. Since you are not yet verified, a staff member has been notified and will review your withdrawal shortly. So they will check it, and then once it's ready, the money will come to my account. And here is a previous withdrawal that I made just 3 days ago, and you can see I have received the money into my Coinbase account easily, so it's proven to work. And now you're asking how to earn money on this website. Well, you simply click the link in the description, you get that 100 points bonus, and then you click here start earning. It works in the same way like any other easy money websites. You will be making money by doing easy and simple tasks such as answering questions, playing games, downloading apps, and other similar things. Let me give you some examples. The easiest way that you probably want to do is to come here FREESKINS, and then you click here to claim your points, because every single day you can claim some free points simply by logging in and clicking here claim, and I have already taken it actually today. And then you will get another 50 points usually by following them on Twitter. So I have already done it. If you can see, I am following them on Twitter. So those are 2 awesome tips how you can get points even every single day. Every single day with one click of a button. At the moment there are 3 different options where you can start earning coins and then transfer that into money, but they are adding new offers all the time. So there are featured offers, offer walls, and surveys. And you can see here sometimes there are even bonuses. They give 50% bonus for these offers, 25% bonus for these offers. Let me show you here on IT Studios to give you a little bit an idea how much you will earn. Now you are wondering, like, what are these? How much is 1 point worth? So if you scroll down, you will see that they show this money in points. I will tell you that 1,000 points is $1, 3,000 points is usually $3, and 100 points is usually 10 cents. So if I give you a couple of examples, for example, this offer is around 4,000 points, so it's around $4. This one is more than 4,000 points, so it's more than $4. And here you can see the instructions. For example, for these ones where you earn more than $4, it says play and finish level 11 within 14 days, new users only. They also have notifications that is a little bit hard. So I assume this one is easier. Solitaire Grand Harvest. Play and reach crop 9 within 21 days, new users only. It's almost $4 only. So you would click here, and here are the instructions. Step number 1, download this app in your mobile phone. Step number 2, play and reach crop 9 within 21 days to get the rewards. And here are some hints. To get your rewards, you must reach crop 9 within 21 days of installation. Your reward will be delayed up to 24 hours and the user will be only rewarded for completing one offer for this application at the last click, and only new users are eligible for the reward. So make sure you read all the requirements. And when you fill this out, you can see that there are offers for desktop, so your computer, then also for Android phone. So as you know, I have this OnePlus Android phone, and then also for iPhone. So you can decide which device you are using. You can make money even with your smartphone. So let's say, because I'm using the Android phone, I would click here, then I would choose the solitaire that we just saw, and then I could, for example, send an email link, and then I could come to my phone and I could open that link in my phone to start earning money using simply my Android phone. And by the way, meanwhile I was recording, the money has come to my Coinbase account that we just cashed out. You can see here the Bitcoin that we cashed out, around 5 euros, around $6. 1 minute ago. It only took a few minutes, like 5 minutes or something like that. So it was super fast, and I can tell you this is one of the fastest websites that pay when you cash out. And a wonderful thing is that, as you saw, there are many different withdrawal options and they are adding them all the time more. So how much money can you earn on Freeskins? I will show you here. When you click here leaders, you will see the daily leaders and monthly leaders. What does it mean? It means that some users are earning this amount of money. For example, Xanic earned more than $50, and they also give them bonuses. So if you end up in top 50 during one day, you will get additional bonus. For example, Xanic is getting $15 bonus. This person who is third one is getting $10 bonus. And up to top 50, as you can see, you can get coins bonuses. And this is not so hard. You can see with $12 you will be already in top 50. If you finish 3 of those offers that we just saw, around $4, then you will be here in top 50. And if you finish more of them, you can get bonuses. And then they also have a monthly competition. So if we click here monthly, as you saw, it was June 13 at the moment of now recording. And these people earn even bigger bonuses. So if you want the monthly competition, you get $150 bonus. And if you end up second, you earn $125. And if you end up third, you earn $100 bonus. And again, they have bonuses up to 50 positions. You can see here 50 cents for the last ones. But for most of them, more than $10. And the highest price is $150. And if you add this up, this is pretty nice, because he has earned $478 plus $150 is coming up. So that would be more than $600 for a month. So of course, that's nice, but I want to remind, this is not a huge big money website. This is more like easy money website, in my opinion, for those people who want to earn some pocket money and sometimes a little bit more, especially if you are living in a country where the cost of living is lower. For example, many countries in Asia and Africa, the cost of living is lower, so you don't need to pay so much money for food and for the rent and all these things. So this is even better for you, in my personal opinion. Meanwhile, people from the US and Europe, they have the cost of living, so they need to earn more. On the other hand, if you are living in the US and Europe, you may have more offers available. So there are pros and cons with both. Focus on the positive, focus on the good. If you are wondering what are the other people saying about Freeskins, take a look at Trustpilot. They have an average rating of 4.6 stars out of 5 based on more than 1,500 reviews, and you can see that people are absolutely loving this website. It's not a coincidence, because they pay free money fast. Also, many legitimate YouTubers have recommended Freeskins. For example, Michael from Paid From Surveys, who has also been featured on our YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online. And you will find tons of payment proofs also on Google when you type Freeskins payment proofs. But you get the best proof yourself simply by signing up and starting today, getting the 100 points bonus through my link in the description and getting the money into your own account today. In my personal opinion, that's the best proof, because you know, I can always show you all kinds of proof that I am earning, that Michael is earning, that other people are earning, but the best proof is when you get money to your own account. So try it out yourself. Freeskins is all the time growing. As you saw, it's paying money to people all the time, and if you have visited them before, you have seen that this number is growing all the time. They have already paid hundreds of thousands of dollars in total to their users, and the average money earned yesterday by their users is around $20. And they are all the time adding more and more offers here in the offer walls, and more options for withdrawing money to your PayPal or Visa or different accounts, whatever you want. If you have tried FreeSkins in the past, the chances are that they have already added more offer here, so there are more ways for you to earn and already more ways how you can withdraw the money. And if you watch this video in the future, I assume that there are even more ways how you can earn money, so it's all the time improving. So my challenge to you is click the link in the description, get that 100 points bonus and try to get paid today. Then tell me in the comments after you have tried it if you got the money to your account today as I have received. And if you want to see more easy money websites, go to watch my playlist Easy Money Websites. There you can see more than 10 different websites with payment proofs, especially in this video. See you immediately on FreeSkins and on my other videos. Have a wonderful day.